can see this. It wasn't starting, so I've traced it down. Thought it might have been the stop solenoid. Well, it turns out it's the plunger what the stop solenoid goes against. Now the stop solenoid goes against that. You can see it or not, it's really difficult to get a bead on it with this foam. So that was stuck in the off position. This plunger was stuck down inside. So I just got this tool, which is actually for doing brake shoes, putting springs back on. I got it hooked up underneath that, and I managed to free it off. So it actually does move now. So it was actually like, it was like, if I can do it again, it was in the off position and stuck. So obviously I couldn't bleed the pump or the injectors. So now I've freed it off. It moves freely. So it was just because it's been stood for a while. I'll just oil it up best I can and make a new gasket for the surround. Put it back together and try it. And hopefully it works.